Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
The colored dots in Outlook email are presence indicators that tell you if a person is available to talk or busy with work. A solid green means the person is online and available to chat right now. If you see a red dot, it means they are busy or currently in a scheduled meeting. A red dot with a white horizontal line through it means do not disturb, so you should probably wait to contact them. A yellow or orange clock icon means the person is away from their computer or has been idle for a while. A purple dot usually indicates that the person has turned on their out-of-office reply and is likely on vacation or away for the day. A gray dot means the person is offline or their status is unknown to the system. These colors sync directly with Microsoft Teams and your Outlook calendar events. You can manually change your own status by clicking on your profile picture in the top corner of the app. This helps coworkers know when it is a good time to send an urgent message or if they should expect a delay in your response. Understanding these visual cues makes workplace communication much faster and more efficient for everyone involved. Sometimes you might see a small white circle inside the colored, which just means the status is being updated or synced across your different devices. By paying attention to these simple colors, you can respect your colleagues' time and manage your own workflow better throughout the busy business day. These status icons are helpful collaboration tools.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.